Alright, well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, hello, me myself. My name is Savi Rondani. I'm 30 years old. No, I am one of tourist guy in Banda Aceh exactly. I live in Mulere exactly. No one. Alright, talking about masjid raya Baiturrahman mosque. Alright, at a time first built that mosque. Two version. No one profession is 1297 at the time when Daulat, when Johan Shah, Murah Johan Shah at the time built Masjid Baiturrahman Mosque at the time. Can you imagine that? Second version is built by from Sultan Pemuda Mosque. Sultan Pemuda built that mosque in 1610 at a time. But can you imagine that?